Message coming in.
Kino live in Jamaica on the YouTube channel. Shout out to everybody once again on social media. Go spread the word. This is the tournament right about now that is up and running. Shout out to Kino, shout out to Tara, shout out to Suki. Fantastic individual. You know, big of the auntie, uncle, nephew, niece, his cousin. I'm seeing another appearance coming out this afternoon just to support these little youngsters. We got some of the finest representing in the Honor 16 right here on 3rd Street in the community of TrenchTown. Capacity definitely increasing, have to say. It is what it is. We're streaming live from the BBC World Service, KLAS, ESPN Sports of M89. This is the reason why you want to say receive any chance. All the small board is turning right about now. Can you hear the rules from anywhere you are as you walk up to this one? Oh! It's victory! Victory for the team! Pegasus!
Yeah, blow the whistle. Yeah, man, blow. Right there. Where Ben?
Hey! Let's see what will happen. This is the most important moment right now. Let's see what the BBC World Service
me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
is concerned. Shout out to everybody once again.
Message coming in.
Kino live in Jamaica on the YouTube channel. Shout out to everybody once again on social media. Go spread the word. This is the tournament right about now that is up and running. Shout out to Kino, shout out to Tara, shout out to Suki. Fantastic individual. You know, big of the auntie, uncle, nephew, niece, his cousin. I'm seeing another appearance coming out this afternoon just to support these little youngsters. We got some of the finest representing in the Honor 16 right here on 3rd Street in the community of TrenchTown. Capacity definitely increasing, have to say. It is what it is. We're streaming live from the BBC World Service, KLAS, ESPN Sports of M89. If you have any question or comments, send us a comment on Facebook, Twitter, and Twitter. Follow us on IG. Kino Life in Jamaica. What a lovely production that is. We got so many things going on. We got a lot of prizes and surprises today. Go spread the word. Remember to share on the YouTube channel. I'm seeing a lot of parents coming out, a lot of aunties and nieces. And right about now, we're about to make a presentation. Tell you this event definitely living up to expectations, so go spread the words. We have some of the finest youngsters represent right about now. We're almost ready to do that presentation, all courtesy of the Kino Life in Jamaica alongside Tara, Suki, you know what I mean, the whole Dream Team family. They're here. Very sunny day in Kingston, Jamaica. It's all about socializing. That's the type of energy we are expecting right here in
Alright then, so we have Wavell representing for JJ Bukambal. You know the thing go. Continue the future for the younger generation them.
Which is right.
And you know JJ is not back on the island, so I'm making the presentation same way for JJ Bukambal. Right, so today is the day for the dream team, street football for the under 16. So now deep on the right there where you know say that at the best time we can do because everybody is out. So everybody can see potential, right?
Which is right, yeah.
So right here now we have some collection of our extended family. We send some bags and you have jerseys and everything. So we have Miss Inez. Hold it. We have Miss Inez and family. We send boots, open it, you can open. Boots and shin pads is from Inez and family. Alright, so you see this, so we have boots and shin pads from Inez and family, you know, for JJ Bukambal. And
Inez and family, more strength and blessing. You know, in abundance, you know? Keep on shining bright light. Bless yourself, Inez and family.
yeah, alright, so and we also have some ball here from Nana and crew as well too, from Nana and crew. Some football soccer here from Nana and crew for the JJ Bukambal as well.
Nana and crew, strength, more strength and blessing to JJ Bukambal, right? Bless yourself, Nana. We appreciate that.
Yeah, so I will also have another bag here as well too. This is from a barrel that came the other day for the team. You know, and Martin and Deborah send these as well to JJ Bukambal, Martin and Deborah from Canada.
Martin and Deborah, more strength and blessing. You know? Keep on shining bright light and you God bless.
Alright, and we have some ball as well too from England. You know, from the African family, who's Fraggy and friends. You know, Fraggy from Tour Street. Yeah. So one of the ball let me come out as well too, in that. So it's from Fraggy and friends.
Fraggy and friends, big up, no flow. It's a blessing. It's Fraggy and friends, Africa, bless up.
Yeah. But yeah, but this now, that bag they come, but me I try to remember, it's from Essa. Blame, Essa never write the name. So she take the blame. Me and we all take the blame because of team.
A blessing, man. More strength, more strength out.
We don't know which extended family they send this bag. You know, I don't remember who they drop it off.
Let them see nice.
Yeah, so make them see nice so they can recognize who they send it. So they can drop a comment or send me a call. You know, but never put the name on it. I never remember who it's coming from, you know, but we really appreciate it so much. You know, as I can say, today the kids in future, and today we're doing a tournament, so definitely today we can give the one of the most impressive boots, you know, for the tournament as well too. And we have a trophy for present them as well too. So you know, so we present them with our boots, you know, the one that look most impressive. Hopefully them size is there.
Yeah, true.
You know, so we give thanks for our extended family for reaching out.
It's a blessing and an honor. Like I do it also. God bless.
Yeah. Alright, so the whole of you, hey, pay attention, the whole of you, I'm gonna say thank you to our extended family, right? So I'm gonna say thank you first, then to our extended family, right? After 3. So 1, 2, 3. Come on, man, louder than that, man. Say thank you. Come now, man. Everybody talk now, man.
After 3, Kino, 3. 1, 2, 3.
So thank you to our extended family. So say it again now. Say thank you. Come on together, man. No move, so no one play ball. So thank you to our extended family. We don't play ball today because we don't sound like we don't want to play ball. Say thank you to our extended family. Alright, clap on yourself, clap on yourself. Alright.
Referee takes a glance at his watch. As the game is we're streaming live for the BBC World Service Daily SESP Sports Over tonight. And this right now, this is the state tournament right here on 3rd Street, right here coming at TrenchTown. First kick out goes to Dream Team. 1-2 pass to Beanie, still playing a pen in the crooks, gets it to the center back, gives it back to his teammate. Lovely move from this individual. This kick from a defender. Easy call for referee. Referee signal for a goal. Referee signaling for a goal kick. Going to the team in black. FNRG. Intercepted by center forward. Defender will go long. Lovely ball pass up into the center forward with the black shirt. Lovely ball shift across. Intercepted by defender. Clearance by defender representing GT. Oh, shot taken was deflected. Very intense time for both of these two teams. A lot of skill for playing the part. Ball player also.
Late off, man.
Lays it off to the center back, looking very composed. Gets it to his teammates over the
Dante, let's
side. They're asking for the spectator to please go and play the part.
Hold on, that's too close. Hold on.
By supporting, if you don't have to get rid of this one, he does. Sit in the arm of GT and the referee blowing his whistle.
Chewing.
Approaching to the team, approaching says the referee.
A big match at one.
And the referee is signaled for the end of the first half, I guess. So it's the end of the first half, pretty good start for one of these two teams. Oh!
One of them.
Green team, can't
One more!
You can't see, no? Where they? Come to me down from the shop. I wanna play next, you know.
He's a call for the referee. Family, second street corners. You don't want to take too long to count here. Green versus blue. If you're going to the shop is concerned, you want to come around, go around the back and make your order. So if you have any interest in buying items is concerned at the shop, you want to go around the block, place your order. The referee was just for New City. So let the friendly referee, ladies on stage, lot of bragging rights. Oh, what a there from the striker representing Gunners. Defender looking a little bit dangerous, but it's with the team in green, New City. Can't count on these two teams, easy call for the referee.
Ball.
Referee. Right here on the street football under 16 5-a-side tournament. Streaming live on the social media right about now. Players listen to the sound of the whistle.
Whistle, yes.
This player looking very confident, representing New City. 3 points enough to be the key ingredients this afternoon. We are winning this concert. Gets the whistle. Player walks 3 to 4 step back. Walks up to this one and let's see! And into the back of the net. Go like a walk in the park for this individual. I believe this player scored. This is victory for his club.
Yeah, again. No, don't put a stone. Don't put a stone.
So, you know, I remember to keep check on the score because you never can tell. This tournament we have a lot of prizes and surprises. So keep track of the scores. Jamaica. You know, shout out to the league organizer, Tara Suki.
Whoa, you know.
Yeah, so I feel like Kino make it work hard. You have to make it work.
You have to work.
You have to make it some of that.
See there? Rasta Jackson in the kitchen.
Yeah, you come, yeah.
Boom. And we're going to monitor the next team, the Dream one in Dreamers. Yeah, you can run that. Yeah, after that match. After my laugh.
I almost man there. I almost man there. I'm going to be the best man there.
Leave Esther. Take care of the team. Make it real.
He has a huge responsibility. Listen to the youngster. The coach wanted to take him off earlier, but he said, no, coach, this is the reason why you want to stay. He wants to work for his team to get a chance. All the small forward is turning right about now. You can hear the rules celebrating where you are as a girl. As he walks up to this one. Oh, and it's victory. Victory for the team. Pegasus.
Yeah, blow the whistle.
This is what it is, social media. People are like, yo, do some funny emotion.
Alright, Sam. Alright.
Versus Young Taliban.
Baby. What you say about Sam, baby? Baby, what you say about Sam?
I guess most of the spectators bringing the team. Young Taliban. Goalkeeper's off his line. Oh, what a here from the striker rating number 6.
Where's the fire? Where's the fire for the chicken? Funny. No. For the chicken.
Pegasus. They're trying to get it on the danger area and can't quite do so as yet. Victory with the athlete. Sound of the whistle. Huge responsibility. Yes, the whistle from the referee as he walks up to this one. And it's victory. Semi-final secure. We're looking confident as he walks up to this one. Action team, they have a clean formation. Goes to a stand today.
Axel.
Give me them come every time. We just have one easy. Come every time.
The tournament are going well.
Along with Hero.
My yellow.
Yeah.
See, my yellow, look now. See my yellow.
Alright. Along with Hero.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have one easy. Yeah, everything nice.
It's a great look, it's a great look.
Everything nice. So we love that. I like extended family. Every time, we love every time. We love this every time.
Every time.
You know, every time, you know.
Management. Rasta Messi, all is well.
Yeah, man, I want to be alright.
Yeah, man, I want to see you.
Yeah, man, I want to go the job safely. Yeah. Yeah, man.
And they're representing JJ Bukandal, who's in the green kit playing against Victory. 1-2 pass between these two. They're trying to get into the danger area, looking very smooth and safety. Who's going to look at the attitude from there? Yeah, the fans in. No, sir. Oh, what a strike that was! It's looking like a semi-final. Now we move from this play. Let's see what will happen. Oh! Clearance by Victory. Oh, control by the defender.
Yeah, man, that's the
Pedal into defensive duties. It's a goal to nil for those. Joe just checking in semi-final number 1. Looking to go all the way. Clearance. 50-50 challenge. Yo! TrenchTown versus New City. Final number 2. Victory within semi-final number 1. That's the type of attitude if you're going to win the game. One more win to the sky. Sudden death. Let's go, we love it.
Yeah.
You know what?
Leave the beep them, leave. Collect the beep them for us, please. Collect the beep them for us, please. This one is 5 minutes worth of break or 10?
10.
So 10 minutes worth of break. Then we'll forward block for the big final. So play some music there. Back to the top.
The kitchen. We're in the kitchen making it work. See there? We're making it work. See, one and 1 foot, anything I can get. Yeah. I make it work. Quick and fast. Well, simmer down. Smell it.
Jones, you know?
Yeah.
See my own.
Fish. Yeah, you know.
Nice,
Well, Shelly. Well, Shelly. Go on, boom. You something now, go on.
It's like a seasoned rice.
Yeah.
Like a seasoned rice, you know?
Season to the bone. I season to the peas.
Season to the peas, brother.
A season to the peas, brother.
And it has all come down to this moment. Shout out to everybody once again in the own VIP here. I guess you already know anyone in there on the 3rd Street of VIP, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? We're in the finest, one of the finest community, TrenchTown right now. All the tickets are sold out. Look at the trophy right now, the championship trophy. It is so
Represent for DJ.
heavy, it's so huge. This is what it's all about. Bragging rights. Bragging rights is very important in any championship. Without the trophy, without the medal, you can't have any trash talk with no individual. We're streaming live on the BBC World Service, KLAS, ESPN Sports of 89. It is what it is. It's the final of the 5-a-side football tournament 2023. We must have a champion. Turn it up, 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 turn it up.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason to take me higher. See the chance.
I think of the expectation, it's all about meet and greeting, that's what we're talking about. You got so many residents coming out. First shots.
Ball.
First shot by the team, victory. This is going to be a match, this is going to be a moment to remember where the street football is concerned. One of the bragging rights. All feet to the right side. The move, second attempt there. Strong challenge here, easy call for the referee. There was a little talking since the referee. I'll take it quickly. Quickly. Oh, yeah, I'm going to the league organizer Kino. Tara, Suki, fantastic people here. We are coming to get the love of the show. Football is concerned. Tournament living up to expectation. Shout out to the company that people who are supporting. To the penalty shooting. Same like how the Venice here right now, so wanted. It's the final. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. We're in stoppage time. We have a parade from the Denton team up in the box.
Yo, ball got outside, my two now only one it up. Ball got outside.
We're in stoppage time. It's getting closer to the most.
That's right.
Oh, what an attempt! Can't count out this team. So many quality players on the park. The clock is ticking. Oh!
Yeah, call you.
And the referee signal for the end of the game is a penalty.
Go sidewalk.
Stop it.
Let's stay up on the sidewalk.
No penalty kick.
Where, Ben?
Represented.
Yeah.
TrenchTown.
Okay, go on, yeah.
Let's see. These players going to outsleep this. Let's see what happens.
Miss. It's the man to win. It's the man to kick.
This is coming in. It's the Soviet Mali right now. The Kino alone, Robbie. Yo, turn it to me. Yo, brother, hold it for them, brother. Remember the presentation we were taking place right here. This player, if he scores, then I'm told. Live the 2023 title where Pakistan football is concerned. People don't put from this expensive stuff. Let's see what will happen. This is the most important moment right now. Let's see what will happen.
Champion boy, you know the damn thing.
Over here, surround yourself. What be your top off? Come on.
Champion boy, you know the damn thing.
Victory captain.
So the victory captain, please. Would not victory captain, please make your way to the podium.
Yes. Where Victory captain, are you?
He's the victory captain and he's also the leading goal scorer of the tournament.
Yeah.
That's Bangi's son. And give a round of applause of him performance.
Yeah.
He will perform live now.
So the leading goal scorer.
So he's the leading goal scorer. How much amount of goal he scored? 4. So give a round of applause for that now, please. That's what it is, you know what I mean? Punctuality is the key ingredients.
And the second place, 20,000.
And the second place team, Victory, winning $20,000 in cash. So give them a round of applause for the whole team there, yo. With the whole team, they represent the yo. Or the captain alone represent.
Turn to she.
Turn to she, this serious, you know. You know, our event and our publicity stunt today, you know what I mean? $20,000 cash. Round of applause for that team, you know. Victory Nation, everything alright.
Alright, Victory.
Moving right along. We're about to present the first place team for 2023 in the 5-a-side under 16 tournament. We did that third team there, yo, they make a way to center here. When the captain, they come like an whole team and roll out, you know.
Where team, call the team, I don't want to go.
Call the team, yo. We gotta get them first.
The money first.
So no, them can't get everything one time.
No,
it's a procedure, my bro.
Yeah, so we get the
So we'll be presenting.
Turn on.
We'll be presenting the check
to
the captain.
$30,000.
$30,000. Give them a round of applause, community people. And this, people, is not even about the cash right now. You see the trophy. The bragging rights. We're about to give champion with the trophy for 2023. It's the 5-a-side under 16 tournament. Selector, you find the right side. So the 2023 5-a-side football champion in the under 16 tournament right here in TrenchTown goes to the one and only Denham Town. Yo, my weapon was sound. Victory sound. Watch it out, planet.
Take me higher, see the champion, take the field now, unify us.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.